There are many benefits to being on a ketogenic diet.
And in this short video, we will tell you the 5 top big amazing benefits of keto.
And if you stick around to the end, there's an extra secret.
Welcome to the Liz
Skatz channel. Hi, I'm Liz and I'm a clinical holistic therapist, yoga and meditation teacher.
And I'm Skatz and I'm a musician and music teacher with type 2 diabetes.
And together we've decided to reverse Skatz's type 2 diabetes using a keto and intermittent fasting lifestyle.
And we're going to share all of that with you so that you can benefit your health too.
So help us to help you by doing this.
Subscribe,
and click on the bell.
Hello, keto bonitos and fabulous fasting friends. Today's offering for you is keto, and we're going to give you the 5 biggest top amazing benefits, starting with number 1.
It reduces brain inflammation. Initially invented to help children with very severe epilepsy.
And if you want to know the details and the research behind all of these points that we're doing, because we're just giving you them in short little bursts, yes, look in the comments below. That's where all the research will be. Number 2.
Many things that it helps to prevent. Like, for example, heart disease and also stroke, type 2 diabetes, but also can help to reduce the risk of breast and colorectal cancer.
And COVID-19 and other viruses. There could be a huge list on this one, but basically puts you in a really good healthy position so you can prevent getting these kind of conditions, or at least you can fight them off better.
Yes. Number 3. It lowers your blood pressure. If you have high blood pressure, you might want to consider going on a ketogenic diet.
You might.
Very helpful. Make sure that you consult your GP or your MD before you start, because obviously as you go along you may need to reduce your medication. Number 4.
It reduces joint pain, and we have personal experience of this.
Oh, we do. When we first started this journey, I couldn't walk very far without some analgesic gel in my backpack, and now I don't need it anymore.
And I'm a guitarist, and I was starting to get arthritic pains in my fingers from playing all day, every day, and now that's just about cleared up completely.
Hooray! Number 5. Fabulous for reducing fat around all of your organs in your abdomen. So visceral fat. So basically that means that your liver, your kidneys, your pancreas, your bowel, your heart, your arteries, and all of those. I sound like Julie Andrews. Yes, so all of these are reduced because keto actually munches up all of the lovely fat that's around your organs over time.
And that's the 5. So what's the secret bonus?
The secret bonus is that it helps with skin, especially inflammatory skin issues. For example, eczema and psoriasis and dermatitis and all of those other kind of inflammatory, nasty little itchy skin diseases.
Wonderful. Did you like all that?
Yes.
Was that good?
Yes.
I really enjoyed that.
So did I.
Now, so talk to us in the comments below. Just there.
We'd like that.
Yeah, we would. And we do reply. We reply almost straight away. And if you'd like to subscribe and click on the bell, then that would help us to help you get the latest information straight away. Thank you for watching to the end of this video. We'll see you in the next one.
Bye.